Zdravo, Borut Petrlin here. This vlog will be a geeky vlog. We're gonna review some cameras. And if you ask yourself, have I missed something? Did Nikon or Canon or Sony issued a new camera? I don't know, maybe it is. This will not be a review about the digital camera. It will be a review about proper camera. As you know, I am into 19th century photography, which means large format cameras, bellows, view cameras, and so on. And I have quite a few cameras. This one, Plaubel, is 5x7 inch, and this one, Vageeswari, is 10x12 inch. This one is old, probably around 70 years old, and this one at least 50. So these are old cameras. But surprise, surprise, there are some people who are still producing new cameras, new view cameras. And check this one. One very interesting feature, when you're putting it on the tripod, there are 3 holes, depending on what kind of lens you have. You know, if it's really heavy lens, then you're going to put it on first one. I don't know. And the first one, okay, here's the camera on the tripod, and then, you know, you just fasten the lens on it, and that's it. You know, Peter, the manufacturer of this camera, the designer, he's really proud on this front standard because it's really, really solid. I don't know, it has a U-shaped profile of aluminum. It's not only it's U-shaped, so that's why it makes extra strong. So, let's see if it can hold, he's saying that it can hold like 5 kilos. So let's see with this Dallmeyer, oh, big buster. Well, I don't have a proper lens board for that, but I have a duct tape. A duct tape. I hope I will not break the camera. Well, if I'm going to break it, you know, I'm going to break it for you guys. So let's see, like so, and just to make like so. I'm enjoying this. Yeah, I'm a great fan of Top Gear, as you can see. This is Dallmeyer 500mm lens 6.3. It weighs like 5 kilos. 5 kilos in American units, that's a lot. A lot. But look at that. Okay, but let's go, let's be serious. Look at that. The camera is really solid. Look, even with 5 kilo, if I screw this on, Look at that. Oh, let's screw it out. Still, look at that. Hardly moves. That's pretty amazing, huh? And you know, the lens is really this U-shaped aluminum front standard is really makes it good. By the way, if you really use this kind of heavy lens, you need to have this support. So basically, it goes here on the tripod and then on this bottom here in the bottom. That's a solid piece of tool, huh? Let's try with tilting. Okay, I'm not going to tilt it fully, so only the screws will hold it. But yeah, look at that. It holds and it's quite stable. It's very stable actually. Well, the tripod is the weaker link here. Also tilts even more. Like so. I mean, I'm not sure if anybody will use it in that configuration, but it's an option, right? Good. Okay, now let's compare it with my old Vageeswari. It's much weaker camera. Okay, Vageeswari's standard, front standard is much weaker. So would never hold a lens like that. The limit of this camera is this, I mean, I'm usually using the Voigtlander 300mm, which is the maximum weight for this camera. As you can see, 300mm lens is quite smaller than the 500 Dallmeyer 500mm 6.3. Okay, let's compare these two babies. Vageeswari is like 70 years old, between 50 and 70 years old, and it's 10 by 12 inch. This one is 8 by 10. Vageeswari although has a larger format, it's smaller than this one, but it's of course also weaker. Bellows, well, if you buy old antique camera, you never know where the light is leaking. That's really bad. Plus, it's very difficult to find it. Plate holders. This comes with a wooden plate holder. And this one comes with a standard film holder. And this is actually I want to buy this camera for one reason, so I can use film. Okay, let's compare them. Vageeswari 10 by 12, this Premier is 8 by 10. This one actually is bigger than this one. If you collapse it, Premier is a bit bigger, is thicker, you see. For traveling, here we have a thick wood, and this one has magnets and what is this? Carbon fibers. I love this detail for carrying. Look at that. I love this detail, this strap. So you hold it from the back, not from the front, and hold it like this, which is really nice, really practical. This one costs, I don't know how much. I went on eBay. There is none available. That's another thing. But I would say 1,400 would be between 1,200 plus minus 1,500, and this one is 2,800, brand new. So yeah, I really like this heavy duty workhorse. Very sturdy and very permanent. Both of them are made from thick wood. That's very important. Thick wood is one of the most resilient and appreciated wood, and that's it. Oh, before you go, if you want to buy a ultra large format camera, Ghibellini 60 by 20, it's available. My daughter is studying abroad, and my son is in Paris. I need to sell some stuff that I don't need, and I know that I don't need this camera. It's beautiful, it's great. I made a beautiful book, A New Earth. But you know, if you want to have it, it's on sale. Price with a plate holder, the price is I don't know, 4,000 something. Okay, for 4,000 I would sell it. And of course I have also this beautiful lens, Sommer wheel, 60 by 20. Good, that's it. Let me know, send me an email. Bye.